Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you guys can probably tell by the title, I am going to be reviewing and doing a little eyeshadow look with the ColourPop Powerpuff Girl collection. You guys, I am so hyped about this collection. When I tell you, all I used to watch when I was little was the Powerpuff Girls. Like, that was my show. Like, had the little bubbles pillow, all that. I love the Powerpuff Girls. So my inner childhood is screaming right now. So you guys, I'm gonna get right into these products today, and basically I'm just gonna talk about all the products that I have, all the things that I got with this collection, and then we're gonna go into our makeup look. So first thing I noticed when I got this collection are these cute little hair barrettes. So they look like this. These are the Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup barrettes. They're really cute. You know, some people might be like, oh, these are childish, but a lot of people who are like influencers and people who do YouTube and do like their makeup and stuff typically pin their hair back. I have my hair back, but it's using a scrunchie today. I have my twists in. If I didn't have my twists in, then of course I would probably use these to, you know, put my hair back too, but I'm not going to be using these today. However, they're adorable. The next thing I noticed in this collection that really caught my eye was the Ultra Superpowers Lip Mask Duo. I have two lip masks here, and I really don't know much about lip masks. I think I only have two. I have a vanilla one and probably a mint one by, I forgot, I think Laneige. They have really good lip masks too, so I'm excited to try these two. They are Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. So I want to get into these lip masks really quick because I'm actually about to put one on right now. My lips, they looking a little crusty. Usually I would put on a gloss or a chapstick before I start my videos, but I knew I had these in the collection and I wanted to try them out for you guys, so I'm gonna do that first. So both of these are overnight masks. However, like I said, I'm gonna be trying them today right now because my lips are dry, and the smell is very subtle, which I think it's good for a lip mask. You don't want to be trying to sleep and then, you know, like you have this overbearing scent coming from your lips. So I think they did the right thing with this. And so I'm just going to show you guys up close. This is what it's looking like right here. That was Sugar and Spice, and this is Everything Nice. The one I'm going to be trying today is Sugar and Spice because I just love the color blue, so I'm going to try this one first. Looks like this on my finger. Yes, I did just taste it, and yes, it is sweet. It smells really good. I think I'm really gonna like that. It's very soft on the lips. Moving into the next product, I have with me the Drama Bomb Bubble Bath Bar. It looks like this, and I'm actually not gonna take this out of the packaging because I don't want it to get all old and stuff, because I'm actually gonna use this. I love bath bombs, so I'm gonna keep this in the packaging. If you want to see what it looks like, maybe I'll just put a little picture right here. Okay you guys, so let's get into some real makeup. The next product that I'm going to show is really the star of the video today. This is the Powerpuff Girls Pressed Powder Palette, and it looks like this. You guys, this palette is so pretty. It's everything I wanted in a Powerpuff Girls palette. I mean, it looks gorgeous. The only thing is it's a lot smaller in person. It's very similar to the Limoncello palette I think that I have. I don't know, I just thought the palette was gonna be way bigger than this. I'm not mad, but it's still really cute. You guys, look at all of these colors. You can tell this is like the Bubbles, Buttercup, and Blossom row, and then you have some other shimmers, you have some glitters. So I'm excited to dig into this palette today. First thing I want to do is swatch the colors for you guys, so I'm going to do that. Here are my swatches. I think some of the colors look really good. I do think that some of the colors look better than the other ones. Just for an example, the Crime Fighting shade, it's kind of the nude shade in the palette. I think it could be a little bit more pigmented, but anyways, I am ready to start on my eye look. Actually, I'm gonna prime my eyes first. So the first thing I'm going to do is start out with the shade Pokey Oaks, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. Far, the eyeshadow, the formula seems really good. It's pretty pigmented and easy to blend, so that's always a plus. The next shade I'm gonna take is Crime Fighting, and it is that nudist shade, and I'm just gonna like blend around the pink just a little bit. Just so I can blend out any harsh lines. The next color that I'm going to be taking is Girls Rock, and I'm going to plop that right on my lid. And I just want to let you guys know, while I'm putting this color on, I think I'm obsessed with that lip mask. It tastes so good. Like, I know I'm not supposed to be like licking my lips, but it's like almost a force to habit because it's really sweet. So I really like the lip mask so far. But okay. FYI, I am experiencing a little bit of fallout with these shades. I'm almost not surprised considering the shade range that I'm dealing with. So one thing I am gonna say is I am a little bit disappointed in the shade Girls Rock. I thought it would be like way more pigmented, but it actually looks kind of like Pokey Oaks, and in the palette the two shades look completely different. So I wouldn't say completely different, but they're different shades, so I was expecting something different. But this is what we're working with so far. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to take the shade Frenemy and plop that on top of the color just to give myself a little bit of shimmer. Not really sure if this is going to work better with a brush or with my finger, but I'm going to try the brush first. I like doing the brush just in case, but spraying it and now picking up that shade Frenemy. Ooh, it actually looks really good, and it picked up really nice with the brush. So far, Frenemy is my favorite shade in the palette. It's really pretty, super pigmented, and I'm overall just feeling the shimmer, okay? So I'm gonna do some more of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be right back. So you guys, I have on most of my face already. Now I had to put on some lashes, liner, you know, foundation, and get you guys ready for the next products in this collection. So I want to talk to you guys about these blushes by the Powerpuff Girl collection. I have Saving the World and Fighting Crime, and so I'm just going to open them up both for you guys. Here is Saving the World, and it is to die for. It's like a coralish kind of pink, and I love blushes like that. Okay, and here is Fighting Crime. It is way like magenta. Like, I kind of want to try this one on today. I mean, it's the Powerpuff Girls. It doesn't have to be like, oh, like matchy perfect. So I think I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. It looks like it's very pigmented, so gonna make my cheeks really pink, and I'm sure you guys can tell I'm going for like a blossom look today. The reason why I'm going for a blossom look is because I think I'm actually going to do 2 more videos where I do like a bubbles and buttercup look as well, because I mean, it's a whole palette. Like, it's not just gonna go to waste for me. So I thought, why not do 2 more videos? And now I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush and tone the shade down a little bit because I went OD. Okay, and this is the blush. I'm not gonna lie, Fighting Crime was really cute. Okay, so for the next products in the collection, we have ColourPop Color Stix. We have shades Him, Mojo Jojo, and Princess Morbuck. So you know we had to incorporate the villains into this collection. I'm just going to, hey, what would have been really cool is if they did like the Rowdy Rough Boys as well. Like, look, ColourPop, come on, hire me for the ideas, the content creativity. Rowdy Rough Boys. Alright, so now I'm just gonna open these, and I think I'm gonna swatch them. Ooh, I love how smooth they are. Smooth. And these are the colors. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Him on my bottom lash line. Okay, so last but not least, we have this Last Roller Gloss lip set, and it comes with 3 different lip glosses. It comes with the shade Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. Blossom is watermelon, Buttercup is green apple, and Bubbles is blue raspberry. Yeah, they definitely smell like their flavor, but they are a little subtle. So for today's look, even though they're all clear, I'm just going to use the Blossom shade in watermelon on my lips, and these are taking me back, you guys. I remember having like my mom buy me these little roller lip glosses like when I was a kid, so this is funny now that they've brought these back. So it feels so cool and moisturizing. I would definitely keep one of these like in my purse just so I could take it out really quickly and moisturize my lips. And this is my finished look. Okay, so I'm gonna run you guys through some of my favorite products from this collection really quick. So first, I'm pretty sure you guys already know the best product for me in this collection, it's so not the eyeshadow palette. It is this lip mask right here. If you're thinking about getting anything from this collection, definitely get this lip mask. Like, it feels so good on the lips. And then the next thing I would say purchase are these blushes. The blushes are really nice and pigmented. I was very surprised by the brushes. And so my next thing would probably have to be the roller lip glosses. These are just really cute and fun to have. And then of course, get the palette. Just a few things in my opinion about the palette. Some of the shades were more pigmented than the others. Some of them were like, but you know, if you're just like a Powerpuff Girl fanatic or you just really love collections, then go ahead and purchase the palette. If you have shades that already look like, you know, this palette, obviously don't purchase it. But yeah, this is the ColourPop collection. Like I said, I think I'm going to go ahead and do a whole bubbles look and then a buttercup look and then pretty much probably post them. I never upload 3 times a week, but I'm just gonna go ahead and post these 3 looks. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love it so much if you guys subscribed and help me grow my YouTube family. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.